What's up guys, Derek back again. Positive update today. We've been making a lot of progress on the IS250, so we thought we'd give the Cressida some attention. Over the weekend we had our friend Brandon come help us out with the wiring. And lucky for us, it's running again. Turns out it was a injector wire that wasn't hooked up, and then during our troubleshooting process we got another 1UZ ECU from the junkyard, and that one turned out to be bad, which was causing it not to start. So we put the old ECU in and then fixed the wire, and then now it starts. So today we're trying to get it ready for paint. We got these, kind of hard to see, but they're fender add-ons. They go onto the fender kind of like right here, but they're universal, so they're gonna require some trimming. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna trim some stuff up, put these on, put the seat belts on, get the rear wing on, and then we should be ready for paint. We need to cut this bottom edge out because this flare is hurting our fitment. I've marked the line off with a piece of black electrical tape. I'm gonna cut the bottom off and see how it fits after that. Something like that. And the idea is we want this fender piece to kind of blend in with our over fender. It's all going to get painted one color. And hopefully this doesn't line up, obviously, because it's a universal piece, but even still, it should look pretty good. Maybe a little more trimming, and then we'll tap screw it in and just kind of mock up and see how it fits. Hugo's working on getting a pair of Nikos bucket seats in here, so we have something to sit in while we drive it to the paint shop. And we're also lining this wing back on. This is the same wing. I don't know if you guys recognize it. It's the same wing that was on our Project S13, which is now Hugo's car, but it's the fine line drag wing. And again, I think the kind of angular boxy lines works well with the Cressida, which is kind of like a boxy car. And when it's all said and done, it should look pretty good. At Rival Auto Works. This is a local shop in Gardena? Downey. Say hi,
What's
Jason.
Up? You guys making one of those stupid videos?
Yeah.
I do that to everybody that makes videos. Richard does all the work.
Well, what are you doing today, Richard?
I'm adding 2 bucket seats to the back of your guys' car.
We'll show you how it looks when it's all said and done. But these guys do good work, so we're confident it'll look pretty sick.
The end product will be something like this. So it'll be a bucket seat. Let's see if we can push it down a little bit. Something like this.
Here's the finished product. We put in some carpet as well. This is some trunk carpet that we bought off Craigslist. We kind of cut it up to fit it around the brackets. Got the seat belts back in. We were so excited to drift this and have 3 people riding in it. Give you a wide shot. But yeah. Awesome work by Jason Kim and Richard over there at Rival Auto Works. They did a great job. They helped us out too, and we're pretty excited about it. So next up we're going to do the Cressie's rear seats, and we'll show you the paint on the cars.